Many people are making money and cashing out hundreds to thousands of dollars on this website, and you too can make money online from this website. As you can see here, you can work with popular brands and earn money online from the comfort of your home without investing a dime. This is how it works on this website, talentdesire.com. First, you explore the online job you are interested in, then you apply free of charge from anywhere in this world. Your application will be received and reviewed. You will then get hired to work from the comfort of your home in a global network platform. Next, you will start working and earning money in your online account immediately. You will be creating a connection with popular brands from all over the world from your remote location. Then you get paid. You cash out. Yes, you will earn income through PayPal, wire transfer, and other methods of payments available on the website. The simple steps for earning money on this website are like this: explore the job of your interest, apply for the job, get hired, start work, and get paid. Simple. Before I show you more on how to use this website to earn more than you could possibly think of from just doing simple tasks, I welcome you to Online Bucks, where you will learn how to make money online easily and legitimately. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos on how to make money online. On this website, you will get to search and find different jobs that you can easily perform and get paid a huge sum of money immediately. These jobs includes freelance blogging jobs. Here, you can earn a minimum of $1,500 every month and earn $75 to $225 each day from this website. The language translator job will fetch you $29 to $108 a day, while online proofreading is $10 to $37 every hour. You can also choose a medical transcription job for $90 to $180 every day. The content writing job will earn you $15 to $105 daily, while the online paid survey job will earn you $5 to $75 per survey. The online teaching job will get you $60 to $112.50 every day. Online typing job, on the other hand, will fetch you $45 to $90 every day. Affiliate marketing job will earn you $25 to $400 daily. The site is open to those that are looking for jobs like you, and it's also for those who want to employ others too. There are many benefits for you on this website that will interest you and make you subscribe to this platform. The first thing you need to know is that all the jobs on this website are free and does not need any investment from you. There is no limit to the amount of money you will earn on this website. In fact, the more you work, the more you earn, and the more jobs will be made available for you. The fact that location does not matter makes it more interesting. You don't need any expenses for transportation or any work permit. You can make money on this website irrespective of your financial or social status. You don't need any fancy certificate to be eligible to make money on this website. All you need is a minimum of a school certificate to be accepted on this website. You don't need to even attend a formal school. You can just apply for a basic proficiency course for the different job schedules, free online, and use the certificate to apply for job on this website. As your location is not a barrier on this website and you don't need any office space, you will be working from your room, from your table, or even your bed at home. How convenient is that? What you will just need to get started is your computer and internet connection. You have the option to apply for a full-time or a part-time position on this platform. These jobs are suitable for students, stay-at-home moms, the retired, freelancers, unemployed, and even the employed that wants to make more income. What you need is to ensure you follow the right step to get your application accepted, and I will be showing you how to do just that in a moment. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell now for more videos on making money online. On this website, when you log in to search for jobs, you will get to see the right job for you in your timeline. You will get to see the duration of the job, which will make it easy for you to choose the suitable time for you to do the job. You will work on your terms that suits you. The way you want to work and how you want to work is all dependent on your choice. All that is needed is timely delivery of your job schedules. If you are able to be employed on this website, your journey to end financial challenges has ended. You are on your way to making money to pay up your bills and live comfortable life working online. You will be able to travel all around the world with your laptop and taking jobs and work from your hotel room and making money on the go. On this website, your payment is fast and secure. You start without any investment, as I said earlier, working with only your laptop or phone and an internet connection. You can also get to build your team for fast delivering of your job schedule, as this will make you have access to more jobs and more earning. You can employ your friends and family into your team and watch how your access to jobs increases because of timely delivering of your job schedules. The interesting thing about this website is that you don't need any special skill to get started on this website. If you can type or click on your phone or laptop, then you are ready and good to go. As you work more and more on this platform, you will actually develop your talent with time and become skillful and experienced in the jobs you do on the platform. Your talent and hard work will become your source of income. Now, these are the things you are advised to have for efficient work delivery on this website. You will need a personal computer. If you have a mini computer or a good Android or iPhone, you can get started, for most of the jobs on the platform involves only clicking. And, of course, you will need internet connection for efficient work on this platform. Other things you may need, that is, if you can afford them, may include the following: dedicated phone line for this job, printers and scanner, a separated email, which you can open a free Gmail account for this job, a webcam, if you don't have one on your laptop. Now, enough of all this talk. Let me show you how to apply for job on this website already. You will need to follow these steps carefully, so that you will not make any mistake, but get accepted fast on this platform and begin making money ASAP. First, you will need to search for a job that will interest you. Then you will follow these steps to make your application. You come down here and click on Apply Now. This will take you to this page, where you will select an application form to complete and send back. You have the option of filling an online application form or the offline application form. Well, I will recommend the online application because it is faster and more secure than the offline. And your application will not get missing on transit. When you have completed the application, you will submit with the necessary supporting documents. The next thing you will need to do immediately is to move to the next step, which is the demo project. Try the demo projects and submit your input to prove your proficiency in taking the job you applied. Then, you wait for the result of your application. The demo project will be an added advantage to your application. Make sure you take your time to do it well, as it will help to qualify you for the job and lead to your acceptance on the website. Keep making money online. Ciao.